Hey, it's Ian, and today I'm here with a high-quality Orbital sander from a trusted brand you know and love. Now, I'm sure you could already guess, because of our incredible deal, we can't say the name. But if you take a close look, you can see the logo right here. So let's just jump into it and show you what this thing is capable of. Now, this is a super powerful, fully fledged power tool that helps make sanding those rough edges and removing things like paints and varnishes super quick and easy. No more manual sanding that hurts your hands and makes your muscles cramp. This does all the work for you. Now, this features a random orbital action giving you a swirl-free sand so that you have a smooth, professional style finish. Now, the reason this works so well is because of the super powerful motor, and it's combined with a vacuum inside so that it makes cleaning up that sawdust super easy. It all collects in this removable collection bag. Now, another reason you're absolutely going to love this is because it works straight out of the box, because it comes with 3 sanding discs. It comes with a 60 grit, an 80 grit, and a 120 grit. So you can work yourself up to a super smooth surface. Now, another really awesome feature about this is it doesn't rely on batteries. So you could just plug this into your wall socket and work for as long as you need, and you can ensure that it always works at maximum power. Now, the super compact design ensures that you can use this just about anywhere, even in those really tight places. Now, because this is a popular name brand, this is made with super high quality parts and materials. Plus, it's weighted, so you don't have to add any extraneous force. The tool will do all the work for you. Now, because this is a professional power tool, it's really important to use proper PPE when using this, like safety goggles and, most importantly, a face mask. Now, we have an awesome deal on the site that you're not going to want to miss out on, so head on over there and get your name brand tool today before they're all sold out.